this is exactly what we eat on a lazy weekend. Bread from the freezer and strawberries with a little bit of sugar. Smear for myself some butter. So I'll smear this on bread, and then I'll have to slice the strawberries. Yeah. And again, I'll slice more. Some are big, you can slice them in more pieces. Doesn't have to be 3 or 4 pieces. As long as you enjoy your bread and strawberries. I mean, it really doesn't matter how many slices you make on it. Just enjoy the strawberries on your bread. So, this is ready. My bread is ready. I add a little sugar on top. And so, that's my dinner. Lazy Saturday dinner. Bread and strawberries and sugar. And I hope you can try it. It's so nice. It's so simple. I mean, it's not healthy as much, but again, the bread is healthy. The strawberries are healthy. The only unhealthy thing is sugar. But again, you don't take a lot of it. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and also share them if you don't mind. Thank you so much, and bye. See you on the next video.